just flip this off. Don't I get into trouble. Second video today, you lucky people. Right, so if you watched the other video, you'll have seen me talking about this being garage and water coming in at wall floor junction. So I'll just show you what we've done, and I'll show you the areas what we've covered. So this front door bit, when it rains, you've got like a fall towards building, only a little one, but rainwater's been coming in and falling in here and then pooling in corner, but it's also been coming through wall floor junction. So it's a quick fix, and time will tell whether it works, but we've sealed wall floor junction, and these bricks were sat on a common brick. It's not been done properly when it was built. Floors all over oil. So so this is to stop water coming in, and what we've used is Nat Cem 35, which is a natural waterproof sand and cement. I don't know if it's got any sand in it. Natural cement waterproof render or waterproof product. So we've put a trowel full up wall on that commoner on bottom, which is a straight up, and then what I've done is I've put a tilted fillet against it all the way down, which will seal that. Now we're soil pipe war. There were a hole there for some reason, a brick was missing, so I've put a brick in there, rendered it round, and then just sealed round there with waterproofer. So all this is done. We'll have a look at it once it rains again. I mean, what happens is when you've got water against a building or a property, if you stop it coming in there, it'll move to another area and it'll just find weakest point. So basically it's not been done right on outside, so it's going to find another point. So if it can't come in here, it'll move along till it finds a weak spot. So we'll have to have a look. I know there were a bit in here, but she's got a kitchen fitted. So as long as we can keep it out of here, I think we'll be all right. So we've made sure it's not falling against thing. James, just leave that out with brush. I'm just going to brush that. So this is what other side with a tilted fillet on here. I mean, a few years ago we did some work outside, pointed it to stop it falling down because it's all flags. That side's got an echo drain running all the way on to stop water running down outside the building. At some point they might have to put one on this side, but I think in long scheme of things, in long term, some kind of drainage system's going to have to go inside here to stop it completely. And we'll probably put a type C system in. We've thought of converting this into a room rather than a garage, but Mum still uses a car in here at the minute. So we'll have to see for future. But in the meantime, we've sorted this problem out, and I'll keep you posted. So that's Thursday's second video. See you later.